Hello, my dear viewers. How are you? Good day. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Evelia Sadullo, a teacher in profession whose passion is to do video tutorial. Today, I will teach you how to make tarpapel, this time in context form using Microsoft Excel. Excel 2016. First thing to do is to set the page layout of your project. So we need to set the orientation. Let us say we wanted it in portrait style or orientation, the size. I will be using A4, and then the margin, I will customize the margin. So I have set the margin to 10.05 on its side so that you can able to paste the different sides of your bond paper, because we will be connecting all the bond papers that we used in this project. So A4 and 100%. Okay. So to determine the number of pages, we need to decrease or to sum it. Okay, let's say we wanted to use this six uh, bond papers for our visual aid. So we are set now with the page layout. So the next thing to do is now to type the content. Let us now put some content on our visual aids. So we have to write first the title. So in order for us that it is visible, you can increase or you can zoom it in. Okay, take note that we'll be utilizing this first three bond papers and another three below. So we have to click the second cell from the top, and we have to determine the type of font are you going to use and the size. So let's say we wanted it to be a Rust Bowl, this one, and we wanted to increase the size up to, let's say, 72. That's very large already, so let us have 48. And then you start typing the title. Okay, there. And then if you wanted it to be at the center of our page, so we need to click again the first cell and then shift arrow right to highlight the all the cells on the second row up to the third page of the bond paper, and then just click merge and center. You have now the title. Then next is to start typing the content. You can have, uh, let's see, again, we need to increase the size and the type of, actually, you can determine the same font size and font style. Let's say since we wanted it to be the same size here for our content, we need to highlight all these pages here and up to below there. And then you can just set the font style you are going to use, the content. Okay, so I have to lighten that up. And for the size, let us have it much smaller than the title. So smaller than that, let's say 36. Okay, then you can start anywhere. You can type now. Start typing now. This is in paragraph form. The first sentence is in paragraph form. So what you need to do is to stop when you are at the end already. Once you are there, you can proceed to the next. You can start it here. Then you'll just click enter. Let's say you wanted to add bullet form content since we have here R. So that means you need to use bullet form content since this is an Excel and we do not have bullet button here. So what are we going to do is utilize the shapes. So we have here different shapes that we can use. We can have here the circle. You can also have this one or anything that you want. So let's say I wanted to use this one circle. Just click it and then just make a small circle in there and you can just set the center and then you can now type the content. You can do the same. You just copy and paste. Copy, then you can paste it here. So as many as you can. Okay, let us have that number first. And just move this one below. So that is how difficult to use Microsoft Excel for your visual aid. If context form. But if not, a bullet form is just easy. So you can have the number 2, then just click enter. And then you can continue up to the last part. And then if you need to add some more context, you can just do the same. And after that, it's now ready for you to print. So if you are done, for example, writing your content, what you need to do is just to save your work first. Save as. If you wanted it in the document, you can browse in the document, rename that, then you can save. And it's now ready for printing. So to print, of course, you have to click File, Print. And these are the things that you need to print. It's your page 2, your page 3. Since our context is small only, so we do not have any more page 3, page 4, page 5, and page 6. But then if you have mini context or content, you can type up to the last 3 pages here below. Then, after printing, it's now ready for you to paste. So just paste all the 6 pages and you now have the tarpapel or visual aid in context form. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for watching.